Okay folks, what I have for you here today is a Ridgeway Curio grandfather clock. This clock's done in a cherry finish. It is an angled case for the curio part with the shelves on the side. This is an illuminated case, so it does have a light in it with a mirrored back. You can see the case. As you can see, the light's pretty cool. It does light up the inside of the clock and the movement. A little reflection of the back of the movement from the mirror. It's pretty cool. Take you down the side of the case. Very small spots in the front of the case there, but nothing significant. On the side here. And there's a couple of little indentations in the side of the case there you can see. Nice polished brass weights. They're all in very nice condition. This is a chain drive, so you pull your chains once a week to wind this clock. Put a chain so you can see the pendulum. It's in very nice condition. Like I said, full mirrored back in the back. You get to your shelves here. These are not big shelves. You know, they'll take figurines and things like that. They are adjustable also. I don't see any adjustment on these. Books said they were adjustable, but looks like they're pretty stationary. Come up here to your dial. Nice brass corner spaniels and brass center with a silver chapter ring. And the really cool thing with this clock is they stamped out the stars in the lunar calendar. This calendar is a working lunar calendar, so this dial does move one click a day. Okay. And those stars are well lit from the back of the case, and a little bit of light comes down out of the case on the top of the moon dial there. It is a Westminster only, so keep that in mind. It isn't a triple chime grandfather clock. It plays only Westminster, which is what most people keep their clock on. But sorry about the clocks in the background, but I think you got enough out of it to hear it. So again, if you have any questions, you can email me direct at chris@clocksbychristopher.com. My name's Dave. I take care of the retail here. Also, you can call me at 207-412-0189. If you have any questions, you can also email us directly off the website and any of the contact us now buttons. And there you have it.